Hello everybody and welcome. And in today's video we will be looking at the contextual toolbar. As some of you may have noticed, whenever you select something, background, object, you get this little icon. Hovering over it opens up a contextual toolbar which is specific to the item or location you are selecting. This is both in modeling and drawing. It can be quite irritating to have it just pop up wherever it wants. If that is a problem, you can pin it in place. Let's just move it up here. Doesn't matter where I click, it'll always be up there where I moved it. I can also say I would like it maximized. No matter where I select, it'll always open up fully maximized. And this could be handy to see exactly what commands you have available without having to open it. If you do not like the contextual toolbar, you can simply turn it off by heading to Settings and unticking the contextual toolbar. And you can also do this by using the shortcut keys Control and K, and this will turn it on or off. Do note wherever you turn it off, whenever you turn it back on, it'll appear where your mouse is, and you can just move it afterwards. As for the functionality, when I select the background, it gives me stuff like view. And for this, I'd say, right, I don't want to see the bolts. I can turn the bolts on and off. Basically the same tools as you would get from your display inside of your view menu. You'll also have basic information like your object representation that controls your colors and transparency, as well as turning certain items on and off through your object group, your name for your view, amongst other informations. And of course, this is specific to whatever you're selecting at that point in time. I would suggest going through these menus and figuring out what they do. For example, create or open a drawing can be quite handy to quickly open up a drawing for an item. This can be customized to whatever you need it to be by clicking your customization button. Of course, if you're not sure what it's called or how to get to it, the easiest way is just to select the right contextual menu when you click customize, and it'll open up that specific menu. Now, if you know what your menu is called, you can simply move to it, and over here you can say, right, I'd also like to say open properties. Maybe I do not want to see these clipping plane items in there. View angle can remain, I'm not too worried about that. And any custom macros that you might have loaded, you can go and say add them from here.